Hi, I'm SAAFIA INSYIRAH.
And I'm GILGRETA.
And I'm CELINE ELISHA.
There is more than enough food produced in the world to feed everyone. Yet, as many as 828 million people still go hungry. Africa is one of the examples of the country that has food insufficiency. Let me tell you why. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. Even so, Africa always experiences climate change which causes flood and drought. This causes them to have lack of supply of fertile crops. Nowadays, we are in a revolution of technology in which STEM subjects could be applied to solve this problem.
Since we have scientific advance in the study of DNA, we could apply it in genetic modification to increase food security. How is the process done? It is done by scientists who will copy a gene from one organism and insert it into a different organism. For example, a gene from the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis has been used to modify the soil and water used by the crops. The bugs will be destroyed after consuming the plant parts such as leaves. Cotton, corn, and soybeans are the three crops that get modified most frequently. With the use of these techniques, the properties of the plant could be modified, possibly leading to larger size, higher crop production, or even be more resistant to insect damage. These techniques have certain benefits for our food security, including the plants can be resistant to insect attack, the food will be rich in nutrients, and extending the livestock.
Focused identification of germplasm strategy or FIX is one of the physics and mathematics contribution for our food security system. What is FIX? FIX is a plant breeding strategy that aims to identify and utilize diverse germplasm resources for crop improvement. You must be wondering how FIX engage with physics and mathematics to help our food safety, right? Mathematics take the role of optimization algorithms used in plant breeding. Algorithms help breeders optimize the selection of germplasm resources based on specific objectives, such as increasing yield or enhancing nutritional quality. Physics principles related to DNA sequencing and molecular interactions provide the foundation for modern genomics and molecular biology techniques. Can enable the identification and characterization of specific genes and genetic markers associated with desirable traits. FIX help with the data collection and analysis related with plant traits and genetics. By this, physicists and mathematicians can help develop statistical models and algorithms to analyze large datasets obtained through plant phenotyping, genotyping, and genomic studies. Hence, valuable insights can be provided into the characteristics and potential use of different germplasm resources. Next, FIX can help to model and simulate the effects of different environmental factors such as temperature, light, and water on plant growth and development and help breeders predict the performance of different germplasm resources under specific conditions. Strategy itself may not be directly related to physics and mathematics. These scientific disciplines provide valuable tools and methods that can enhance implementation.
Several 100,000 tons of food goods are radioactively treated every year. Only gamma rays, such as cobalt-60 and cesium-137 radionuclides, can be used to irradiate food. Cobalt-60, which has a half-life of 5.3 years, has nonetheless replaced cesium-137 as the material of choice for food irradiation because it is more readily available on the global market. When foods are treated, there are three different dose categories, which are low-dose irradiation up to 1 kg to prevent sprouts, medium-dose irradiation between 1 and 10 kg to lessen the amount of spoilage microorganisms, and high-dose irradiation over 10 kg to eliminate hazardous bacteria in meats.
To conclude, this information is crucial for creating resilient and sustainable food production systems, ensuring sufficient and safe food supply, and dealing with issues like population expansion, climate change, and environmental sustainability.